Group. Say the Format Painter use the Format Painter use Format Painter to quickly apply the same formatting, such as color, font, style and size, or border style, to multiple pieces of text or graphics. With Format Painter, you can copy all of the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Think of it as copying and pasting for formatting. 1. Select the text or graphic that has the formatting that you want to copy. Note, if you want to copy text formatting, select a portion of a paragraph. If you want to copy text and paragraph formatting, select an entire paragraph, including the paragraph mark. 2. To choose Format Painter, on the Home tab, select Format Painter button. Format Painter in the clipboard group. Format Painter button on ribbon in Excel. From Home tab, choose Format Painter button. Format Painter on the Home tab in the clipboard group. If Excel is using the simplified ribbon, Format Painter button. Format Painter is by itself. Format Painter simplified button 3. The cursor changes to a shows Format Painter cursor with paintbrush icon. 4. Use the brush to paint over a selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. This only works once. To change the format of multiple selections in your document, you must first double-click Format Painter button. Format Painter. 5. To stop formatting, press Escape. Notes: medium small black square. You can use Ctrl+Shift+C to copy a format, and Ctrl+Shift+V to paste a format. While the cursor does not change to a paintbrush, you can repeatedly paste formatting to multiple areas without recopying. Medium small black square. For graphics, Format Painter works best with drawing objects, such as auto shapes. However, you can copy formatting from a picture, such as the picture's border.